Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu mousse. This delightful dessert combines the classic flavors of tiramisu with a wonderfully light, airy texture. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the coffee-soaked ladyfingers to crafting the rich mascarpone cream. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this elegant and easy-to-follow recipe. It's a perfect treat for any occasion, offering a sophisticated twist on a beloved classic. To begin our tiramisu mousse journey, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 6 large egg yolks and 100 grams of granulated sugar to create a rich Sabayan base. For the creamy texture, have 250 grams of mascarpone cheese and 300 milliliters of cold, heavy cream ready. Don't forget 150 milliliters of strong brewed coffee for dipping, and about 20 ladyfingers to form the layers of our delicious mousse. Now let's craft the heart of our tiramisu mousse. First, whisk your 6 egg yolks with 100 grams of sugar in a heat-proof bowl over a double boiler until the mixture is pale, thick, and reaches 71 degrees Celsius. Remove from heat and let it cool completely. Next, gently fold in the 250 grams of mascarpone cheese until smooth. Finally, whip your 300 milliliters of heavy cream to soft peaks and carefully fold it into the mascarpone mixture, creating a light and airy mousse. With our mousse base ready, it's time for assembly. Quickly dip each of your 20 ladyfingers into the 150 milliliters of strong brewed coffee, ensuring they are moist but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. Then, spread a generous, even layer of the mascarpone mousse over them. Repeat these layers, finishing with a mousse top. Chill your tiramisu mousse in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.